back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Garage back number U2 machine. The B52, that is Bob Crum. He's out of Athens, Ohio. The ASB, Brandwire Rentals, Don Linder Sales Team, number B52. And Zach Milby coming off a win last night. The aftermarket performance, Dom Cycles, Octane Race Products, number 5M. Crum currently fastest, a time of 15.121. Euler of 15.817. And Milby going to go to the top charts, 14.346, 1.4346 with a 5M of Zach Milby. Second lap time for Crum. He'll go faster at a 15.052. Track, that'll be the 02 of Joey Chambers. He is out of Mount Perry, Ohio, on the 02 machine. Lucas McDonald drives the 44 car out of Good Hope, West Virginia. And Mansfield's Austin Bright drives the 92, the RPM Performance Products. Imperial Truck and Trailer Repair, back number 92. First lap time for Joey Chambers, a 15.220. McDonald goes second, quick at a 14.930. And first lap time for Bright, good for fifth quick, a 15.330. Second lap time for Joey Chambers, a little bit better to 15.130. McDonald, second lap time, he goes faster as well to 14.751. And Austin Bright, third quick at a 14.913. So Lucas McDonald now second quick at a 14.751. Austin Bright, a 14.913 in third quick. And Joey Chambers, fifth quick at a 15.130. Galesburg, Kentucky, that is Evian Terry in the 58 car. Kevin Terry out of Galesburg, Kentucky in the 97T. And Jacob Kernote out of Laviolette, West Virginia, is behind the wheel of the 5C. First lap time for the 58 of Evian Terry, a 15.135, 1.5135. Kevin Terry right behind in a 15.299. And Jacob Cornett, fourth quick, get a 14.918, 1.4918 for the 5C of Jacob Cornett. Second lap time for Evian Terry, not quite as good. She'll take a 15.135. Kevin Terry, a 15.561, keeping him in the 8th spot. And Jacob Canute, 15.035. So Canute going to go fourth quick at a 14.918. Everybody's still chasing Zach Milby's 14.216 at the top of the charts. Zach Milby coming off a feature win last night down at the Jackson County Speedway. Steven Dotson out of Edinburgh, Ohio is in that 97 car. The McDonald Dotson Racing, McDonald Farms Jenkins Auto Parts number 97 car. The 151, that is Trace Settles out of Sunbury, Ohio. And Toma Johnson is in that 75 car from Montelicio, Indiana. The Wells Diesel, AEM Mechanical, Owens Racing Products, back number 75. Dotson's opening lap, good for 803 Construction, RJ Trucking. That is Ted Johnson Sr. in the 25 car. Over 60 years of racing for him. Afton, Ohio's Pete Crum drives the 34C, the Allenstone Builders, Don Linder Sales Team, Crum Concrete and Excavating number 34C, and Michael Lefevers out of Cincinnati, Ohio is in the Slicker Graphics, Harris Distributing, Nick's Towing, back number 90. So Steven Dodson goes fifth fastest, Michael Lefevers fourth, Lucas McDonald third, Corey Delancey second fastest, and with a quick time, a time of 14.216 in the 5M. How about it for Zach Milby? Bruce, I will turn it back over to you for modified qualifying.